Hey guys, welcome back. So I just wanted to pop on here quick and do like a quick little intro to this video. This video is going to be a bathroom deep clean, and I'm pretty much here just to ask that you don't judge me. My bathroom was really bad, and you guys are gonna see it. Like I said, I did no like pre-cleaning, like just turned the camera on, and you know, honestly, it's really hard to take pride in something that you absolutely hate. And I hate our bathroom. It's all tiling. It's so old, and there was mold everywhere, and please don't judge me. This is the real deal. This is truly how my bathroom looked. And I just cleaned my butt off. It's not perfect. It's never gonna be perfect. And until we can afford a remodel, this is just kind of what I have to live with. But you know, I'm gonna try my hardest to like keep up with it and not let it get that bad, but like I said, sometimes it's just hard to, I don't know, care about things that you hate so much. I don't. So that's what today's video is, and yeah, please try to be kind. I know I'm kind of gross. But yeah, so that's in today's videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please consider subscribing if you have not already. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. So without further ado, let's jump into this clean with me. So this is my bathroom, which you guys have seen a little bit of like in other videos. Evie's gonna help me with this. Yeah. I know, honey. So, yeah, I don't ever show our bathroom because I'm gonna be honest, like, I'm just totally ashamed of it, and it's just super yucky, and I just need to get in here and clean it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So, real quick, let me tell you, like, everything that's wrong with this bathroom. So, our toilet, when we bought the house, the toilet was cemented to the floor, and if you look, it's, like, supported on, like, shims right now. The floor is uneven, or something happened where like the floor sank or like something, and the flange is cracked, and we just don't, like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, we just don't have the money to fix, like, to do any type of renovation right now. So we always have to make sure that the toilet is like level on the shims. And then the shower is another like awful point of this bathroom. So I try my hardest to keep the shower clean, but it is really difficult. The grout is disgusting, but it's so old that every time I try to scrub it, usually it starts like crumbling. So that's where I am with there. But I'm going to try a new technique. I've heard that if you take like bathroom, like bowl cleaner, like a bleach cleaner, and take like an old toothbrush and like individually scrub all the grout, it'll work, or it'll help clean it. So that's what I'm gonna do in today's video. It's probably gonna take me like 2 hours to do this bathroom today. And it just needs a really, really good scrubbing. So that is what I'm gonna do today.
Holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it.
have changed, but so can you. So can you. For too long about the mistakes, while I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it. I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. We lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, eh? Until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, eh? It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. We lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So I just wanted to pop on here quick and kind of wrap up this video. I wanted to let you know that this portion was actually filmed the morning after. I did the shower and I did the toilet bowl at like the previous night, and then I did this portion the morning after. Shame on me, I didn't wear a mask. I didn't use any protective like wear other than my gloves, and just the smell of bleach was just too much for me. I was getting nauseous. I had a terrible headache, so I wanted to finish the bathroom the morning after and kind of like give myself a rest. um, but yes, so this was filmed after, and then also there was a lot that I did that I just wasn't able to show just because it was really hard for me to like get my big camera with my big tripod in there. We have a pretty small bathroom, so I did like wash the walls and I did the ceiling and dusted and stuff like that, but unfortunately I just didn't show that in this video. But yeah, so I'm gonna let some more music play. I just wanted to pop on here quick and let y'all know that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
4 in the morning, staring at myself, counting up the years. Standing in the doorway, moments before with my hopes and fears. If the whole world stops, will I still stand strong? When the fire burns, the smoke inside my lungs. All we are is the pain we overcome. It's the work that's never done. It's the game that rages on. All we are, it's the dark before the dawn. It's the fight when hope is gone. That's all we are, that's all we are.